AI is incredibly important in financial services for so many reasons, but to put it simply, AI, if you boil it down to what it is, this is one of the learnings from today, it's just maths. And it's about understanding your data and what you can do with it.
It was very useful to see what's happening in the industry. I come from a financial background, and it's interesting to see how AI is being integrated.
So I think it's really important to talk to people and educate people about what AI is capable of today, what its limitations are, but also what the possibilities are as well.
AI can quite often lead to our cost reduction in a certain channel for maybe up to 40 and 50%.
Today's event was very inspirational. So I was really grateful for being invited to the EBO event because I had an opportunity to meet other people who are also working in the space of artificial intelligence.
Certainly the talks were pitched at an amazing level and very good for both a technical and a non-technical audience.
It's very impressive to see what EBO as a small company actually managed to do.
I would recommend this event. Yeah, it's critical to bring like-minded people together.